Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And yeah, we're just gonna go straight to the face. Anyway, I'm just gonna spray my face with some setting spray first, and then let it dry. And for the primer, I'm gonna use my Rimmel London Last Finish primer. I'm just gonna dot that to my face and spread it all over my face, of course. And for the foundation, I'm gonna use, this is my first time using this foundation. It's from Maybelline New York SuperStay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in shade Golden, or 33. The shade is not my right shade, but I'm just gonna go with it because this is what I get. Anyway, I'm just gonna place that to my face and using my Real Technique damp sponge, and also blending it down to my neck. Do not forget about the neck. And for concealer, I'm going to use my L.a Girl Pro.Conceal High Definition Concealer in two shades, Beautiful in Bronze and Natural. And also I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Fitme Concealer in shade 20. I'm just going to use the first natural concealer from L.a Girl to highlight my face, to my under eyes and my forehead, to the bridge of my nose, and also to my mustache. And I'm gonna mix it with the Maybelline New York concealer. And for the contour or bronze, I'm just gonna use the Beautiful in Bronze concealer for the contour. And of course, I'm gonna blend it with my Real Technique dampen sponge. And also gonna blend it to my eyelids. Need to blend even more. And this cat just keep popping into my mid cookie. Eyebrow Stylist Set Natural Brunette from Essence. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows as usual. And for the eyelid primer, I'm gonna use my Essence I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna blend that using my ring finger, and also bringing that to the lower lash line, because I'm gonna do a very pop of red or magenta pink. And for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use my ColourPop on my Little Pony eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to pick that shade, matte nude shade, to set my eyelids, of course. And first, I'm going to use this shade, beige orange shade, to my crease to place everything before the bright pinky tone. And then I'm gonna use this shade, just dark Magentapink, to placing it to my crease, to the outer part of my eyelids, and also to inner part of my eyelids. I'm just gonna do the same thing like the first shade that I did. Then I'm gonna take this dark shade and put that to my eyelid and really packing the color, I mean the eyeshadow color to my lid. Like really pack it on. I did go back and forth for this eyeshadow color to pack it on, and yes, I did have usually a fallout from this eyeshadow, of course. Before going to my lower lash line, I'm just gonna bake my under eye with my All About Matte Fixing Loose Powder from Essence, of course. Just a translucent white. I'm just gonna bake my under eye, also to the lower part of my jawline, and also to the sides of my nose, and also to the T-zone area. I'm just gonna pick that eyeshadow color. Just gonna mix that first to my lower lash line using a pencil brush. I'm really blending it in to the inner part of the lower lash line. I'm just gonna pick the light shadow to blend everything to my lower lash line, also to my crease, to my upper crease. And then I'm gonna pick the darkest color to blend to my lower lash line. I just did the same thing that I did to my upper lid, and then I'm gonna mix these two shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette. I'm just gonna mix that and put that to my inner corner of my eyelids, blending it. I'm using my lip pencil brush, and then I'm gonna pick this white shimmery eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend it together to even more lighten the shimmer eyeshadow to my inner corner. Then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone using that same light beige shadow. And then for the cream eyeliner, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. cream eyeliner in black, of course, and do my wing, my cat eye. I'm just doing a slight cat eye eyeliner thingy, not so much dramatic there. And for the mascara, I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess False Lashes Effect Mascara. Of course, the green one. Use the green. I'm using the green one. And for my tight line, I'm using my Flormar Waterproof eye pencil in black, of course. I'm just gonna tighten my eyeline, and then I'm gonna pop on my false lashes, the usual lovely false lashes form icon. And I'm gonna set my whole face with my Maybelline New York Fitme Matte Pass Borderless Press Powder in 220. Then I'm gonna contour my face with my Flormar HD Sculpting Powder. I'm gonna use the contour powder. First, I'm just gonna contour my whole face and also my jawline. And for highlighting my under eye, I'm gonna use the highlight powder one. Just gonna highlight my under eye. For bronzer, I'm using my e.l.f. Duo Blush and Bronzer, shade Fuji. Just gonna pick the bronzy shade to bronze my whole face, and also blending it to my neck. And for the blush, I'm using the same e.l.f. Duo Blush and Bronzer palette and using the blush one, and also putting some on my nose. And for the highlighter, I'm just using my Essence Strobing Highlighter in shade Let It Glow. It's not a shimmery highlighter, it's just more like melted highlight. That is why I chose this one. And also putting some on my bridge of my nose and the Cupid's bow. And for the lip liner, I'm gonna use my Deborah Milano lip liner in shade 20 or bright red. I'm just gonna lip line my lips and fill them in. And for the lipstick, I'm just gonna use my The Balm matte lipstick in shade Innocent. And for the last tip, I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with my Make Me Brow Gel in shade Brownie Brows from Essence. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I uploaded a new video. And also comment and like the video. Thank you. Bye.